is after you?
Nothing, no. Nothing is after me.
Wait. How can you tell me that you are running helter-skelter and nothing is after you?
I said nothing is after me. I am after myself. Nothing is after me.
You're after yourself. Come. And meanwhile, what about that pregnant woman that we saw?
Could you believe what my eyes saw today? I saw hell. My 2 eyes saw my 2 ears.
No,
you believe that girl is a spirit?
Oh, you see? I told you. But I told you, but you refuse to listen. Chicken that refuse to hear will hear inside pot of soup. And meanwhile, then what happened?
Nah, immediately I take that girl to one uncompleted building.
The blood of Jesus!
Wetin be this? Jesus.
Photo, not be juju be that.
She disappeared. Hey! No!
You don't know what is going on. Nah, this girl is evil. I would have listened to you.
I warned you, but you don't want to listen to me. I warned you.
Wait, did you say anything now?
It's like I saw something on red. I'm telling you.
Okay.
No! What?
She's the one.
I know, because I saw her. So what happened?
See, please, forgive me.
You are not a bastard.
Forgive me, don't hurt me. Forgive me.
Okay, I am forgiving you.
Okay.
But I have a question for you.
For what?
What was on your mind the moment you saw me?
The moment I saw you. Okay, the moment I saw you, I just wanted to help.
You see, you lied. I'll ask you again. What was on your mind the moment you saw me?
The truth is, I wanted to. I just want to be a good Samaritan.
Hey, Jesus!
For the last time. And if you lie again, you will die. What was on your mind the moment you saw me?
Okay, see, let me just tell you the truth. The truth is, now 2 things get my mind. I have 2 things on my mind. I wanted to help you, but after helping you, you will help me. Which means I want to sleep with you.
Hey, man, are you telling me the truth?
Thank your God that you say the truth. You will follow me to my kingdom and sleep with me forever.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
You don't know why.
No verse, my eyes. Where be your kingdom?
The land of no return.
No! What? Why are you running? What? The earlier you learn to be who you are.
It is what it is.
Think about your life. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Hey. What? What is after you?
I am after myself. Nothing is after me.
You after yourself.
That's nice.
And meanwhile. Go.
How will you be after yourself, this guy?
What's that like?
Oh, come in.
What's that like?
Oh, we are don't be back at there. What's that? I'm after yourself. I'm after myself.
What can I go? No, pick up from when you buy
I say after myself. Is it for what?
Forgive me. ask you.
No. Epo. Kureba yuko.
Na yamba. Ya. Kira go go
Only I shall not care now.
I want to see you. Yeah, because
Don't worry. Ushem batanya.
Why are you laughing?
I swear, let's see the red light. Or this ready to be anymore.
Ooh!
Alright, let's go.
Because now I'm a shit already.
Oh, boy, I'm a video guy.
I mean, that's not.
Swingy.
I'll 5 now.
Putting condom now.
Sorry.
No, so check and make sure nice. It's so fun, my.
It's still rolling. How can I love?
What are you saying? See, I have to go and pick up. See.
You have to go ahead of me.
Kita vlog major mom beacon.
Sorry,